Josh Lambert here with SignPilot. Today I'm going to show you how to use the SignPilot system to create an announcement slide just like this one. Let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your SignPilot account. Next, navigate to the new Manage Announcement section in the sidebar. Now you can see here we have a list of the announcements that I've already added to the system up here at the top. We can view these by clicking the View in Player button. And it'll load the slide up here in just a moment, and there it goes. We also have the option to edit or delete these announcements using the buttons on the sidebar, Edit and Delete. So if we want to make a change to the announcement, we press the Edit button and we can tweak it. Or if we want to delete the announcement, we can also press the red Delete button. Let's take a look at how to add a new one. We simply populate the fields here, and we'll talk about what these different fields do and how to use them. First, you have your small title, then you have your large title, the description, the date, the time, and a spot to add a photo, and I'll show you how these different fields are used. Let's take a look at the announcement slide. Now, when it loads up here, you're going to see that the slide is broken into a few different pieces. Up here at the top, we have that small title we were looking at. Here we have the large title. Below that, we have the description. And then finally, the date and the time. And there's our slide photo. Now you can use these fields however you'd like, but these are the way it's going to display when you fill them in. So let's do one as an example and see how we might put these fields to work. So let's say we had a guitar player coming in. Well, we would say guitar music by as the small title. And then in our large title field, we put in the name of our performer. So if it was John Denver, we'd put in John Denver. And then we put in a description to go with our large and small title. So for instance, we could say your favorite folk classics played by America's legend. All right, and then we give it a time. So let's say we want to do January 1st of 2017. We just fill that in, and it tells you what format to enter the data in here. And then we give it a time. So let's say it was going to be at lunchtime. We do 12 p.m. And finally, we add an announcement photo. And then press the blue Add Announcement button. Now our announcement has been added, and we can preview to see what it will look like on the channel by pressing the green View in Player button. So it'll take just a second to load up here, and there it goes. You can see now we have our announcement slide with the different fields that we added. If we want to make a change to the announcement slide, this is easy to do. We go back here and press that blue Edit button, and we can make any changes we want. Like if we want to change John Denver to Gordon Lightfoot, we can make that change pretty easily. And then come down here and press the Save Changes button. And then once again, we can preview that slide by pressing the green View in Player button. And so now the change we made is there, and you can see our lovely announcement slide. Now let's take a look at how to add that into the rotation with the other slides. We'll come over here to Sign Player Settings. And you can see here we have a list of all of the slides that are going to play on our Appleseed Manor Retirement Community channel. We're going to add a new slide to the list, and you can see down here one of our slide types is Announcement. So we'll press that blue Add Slide button. Next, we're going to see, you can see where it added announcement to our playlist. So we'll press the blue Edit button, and we pick which announcement goes with this slide. So we see here we've got the special violin music by Josh Lambert. We also have the guitar music by Gordon Lightfoot. We'll press Guitar Music, and then we'll press the Save Changes button. Next, we'll close the editor. Okay, so our announcement's been updated. We can move the announcement to a different position in the playlist just by clicking and dragging it like this. So you can put the slide wherever you want to put it in the playlist just by clicking and dragging. If we wanted it up here at the front, we just click and drag up there to the front, and then come down here and press the Save Slide Order button. You can preview that announcement slide by pressing the green View button, just like we did on the other screen, and you'll be able to see our announcement load up here. And then if you want to delete that announcement once it's happened, you simply press the red Delete button. And there you go. That's been a look at how to add an announcement to the SignPilot system. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.